Kheer, creamy Indian rice pudding delicately flavored with cardamom and nuts, a must during festivals. Ingredients: cooking time 30 minutes. Wash, soak and drain rice. Bring the milk to boil. Add the rice and the green cardamoms. Cook, stirring continuously until the milk is fully absorbed and the rice is tender and broken. Add the raisins and condensed milk. Cook, stirring regularly until the consistency is thick and the mixture sticks to the ladle. Garnish with almonds. Refrigerate and serve chilled.